I'm sure you've heard the news. Bitcoin is booming. But how do you set up a Bitcoin investment trust? Let's find out. First, choose your legal structure. Pick a jurisdiction with crypto-friendly regulations, like Delaware or Wyoming. Decide on the trust type, grantor, irrevocable, or charitable. Draft a trust agreement to outline its purpose and guidelines. Next, funding the trust. Investors contribute funds, either fiat or crypto. Define your investment strategy, focusing on Bitcoin or a mix of cryptocurrencies. Now, custodial arrangements. Secure your assets with cold storage or hardware wallets, and pick a qualified custodian. Operational procedures are key. Set clear investment guidelines and risk management protocols. Ensure tax reporting and compliance, and keep accurate records. Finally, legal and regulatory compliance. Follow all relevant laws, including AML and KYC rules. Consult legal and financial experts to navigate the landscape. Remember, Bitcoin's volatility, evolving regulations, and security are crucial considerations. Stay transparent with your investors to build trust. Ready to get started? Happy investing!